Yo, check the mic, 1, 2, it's the MLC, we rolling deep. Midlife crisis crew, ain't no secrets that we keep. Head of the pack, that's RAPP, yeah you know the name. In the TTRS, bringing pure driving game. Jerry's M2 comp, he thinks he's fast, he thinks he's fly. But come the winter season, watch that rear wheel slide and die. Doesn't drive in the snow, better check the forecast, son. At least it moves, unlike Ed's TT, his repairs are never done. That engine blows every other year, a reliability fail. While out here stacking pictures, leaving a digital trail.
We're the MLC, the crew you wanna know. Got the horsepower and the ego on show. From London to Dubai, we make the petrol flow. Midlife crisis, yeah that's how we go. We're the MLC, the crew you wanna know. Got the horsepower and the ego on show. From London to Dubai, we make the petrol flow. Midlife crisis, yeah that's how we go. Midlife crisis, yeah that's how we go. Midlife crisis, yeah that's how we go.
Was Jay in his RS Roadster, cruising feeling fine, with that big tub of fist in gel, waiting for a sign. Still untouched, the hole ain't big enough, that's what he states. Maybe try it on Sam, who accelerates the rate. Sam's known to use the one thing but RSP, RS pipes on a Saturday spree. The horsepower's roaring, the session is free. Then there's yellow RS Chris, the man with all the toys. Got a house full of gadgets, double the joys. They come in pairs, he claims to share, but we know the truth. Send us more pics of your missus Chris, back to our youth. Too low Steve, silent but deadly, he holds the key. A secret bank of pictures for all the crew to see. When that file drops, Reese gets excited, it drives him wild. With his 2-foot tool, a father but still a child. 3 mothers, 3 kids, the payments gotta land. Trying to fund that lifestyle with cash in his hand. Car fella Chris said, enough is enough, I can't take this mess. He flew to Dubai, living large, eating king size excess. Bartzilla Chris pops up now and then, a rare sight. Wish we saw him more often, bring the car scene light. Ryan's been through the war's rough ride, but he's back on track. Got his TT shiny clean, there's no turning back. We gotta mention Johnny, what's he gone and done? Swap the raw for silence, bought a Tesla, game over son. Turn gay, bought electric, can't invite him to the events. Afraid of getting target, gotta protect the MO sense. But welcome new blood, Paul aka Gilly Bobby gets the pace. On the same wavelength, finally a friendly face. Now we can share the tip pics without a trace of fear. No repercussions my man, the future is clear. So here's to my boys raising the glass, failing to bleed. The MLC crew, our crisis is totally sweet. We're loud, we're fast, we're inappropriate and proud.